Good afternoon. Today's video is the green screen. Hey Steve, what do you know about a green screen? Absolutely nothing, and that's what prompted this video. I've read everything I can read online. I've watched all the videos I could possibly watch on YouTube, and I have deduced what I need for green screen material from my own deductions. I didn't buy a kit. I bought individual components. I bought a light kit, I bought a green screen, I bought a frame kit, and a clamp kit. I bought extra clamps and bungees and stuff, because I really don't know what I need, but this might help somebody else figure out what they might need. The complaint about the kits, the frames are flimsy. And most of the green screen kits, the size of the green screen is 9 by 5 or something like that. I've got 7 feet of me left to right, so a 5-foot green screen sideways isn't going to do me anything. And if you're going to have your whole body on a green screen, you're going to need to stand on that green screen so that all of you is on the green screen. So I purchased a 9-foot by 20-foot green screen. I purchased a frame that will spread 20 feet wide, 10 feet tall, and I bought a light kit with 2 lights in it. Let's go over what I got, and I'll show you what I got. This frame is an E-Mart frame. It'll do 10 feet tall, 20 feet wide, but the nice thing about this kit, which is where I'm going to use it, is in a room. This frame will make a 90-degree. So you can actually put this in a corner and it will cover 2 walls, which is where I plan on using it. I've got 2 of these newer lights. They do yellow light, white light. It's 100% LED. You can dim the yellow, you can dim the white. It's got the barn doors on it. I got my 9-foot by 20-foot green screen, and this is a fleece material. They claim it doesn't wrinkle. Let's open up all this stuff and see what we got. So the E-Mart Frame Kit came in this really nice bag. And this bag has got individual pockets for each one of the tripod pieces to slide into, plus it has clips to hold it all together. And the bag's a nice item. I bought a light kit that has 2 of these LED lights in it. And these lights have, they've got a filter or diffuser that slides in over the LEDs, and they have barn doors. So you're going to do the soft box or the umbrella or something like that. The diffuser plate slides over the LEDs, and then you got the barn doors to kind of direct the light or broaden the light. I also bought 2 extra boxes of clips. The E-Mart stand came with 8 clips, but being a 20-foot wide, I didn't know if that would be enough, because everybody claims that you need to stretch the green screen background tight. This fleece background, I don't think it needs to be super tight. It just needs to be smooth. This kit comes with 6 clamps, and it also comes with Velcro straps that can go around the pole, and it's got a cinch on it. So you can actually clip that to the green screen. You can put this around the pole, and then you can tighten it up with the cinch. So I've tried to cover all the bases because I wanted to buy everything at one time and make sure I had everything I needed. These rods are telescopic, kind of like a shower curtain. You can unscrew it, it slides out, you screw it together, it tightens up, and it will hold that length that you've set it at. And this is sturdy. I'm surprised at how sturdy these tubes are. If you notice, this also has an end on it. It can go over a pin or it can go into a pin. So right now, since this is a straight rod, I've got it going into a pin. To make this a 90, I would turn it this way, so then it goes into the pin this way. This very good design. Got a couple of wing nuts. It's a beauty. This is very sturdy. We'll open up this one light of the light kit. The other one's already open. It's over there. It's in a nicely wrapped package with a case, customer service card, got ourselves some instructions. Now we've got the light nicely packaged in foam. We've got the power supply because these are 12 volt. And power cord for the wall. Got all the controls on the back. We got all the barn door goodies on the front. We got the light kit pole. You know, the sturdiest these will get if these brackets are 90 degrees with the pole. And that's going to give you the biggest span of the feet. So we're going to go with the biggest span of the feet. We're going to tighten that sucker up. And these are all telescopic. I think it's got to be 7 feet tall. All right, let's put the light on it. Okay, I'm going to put this light on the pole. I'm going to leave this plastic cap on because there's nothing that's got the 1/4 threads in here. Bada bing, bada boom. You got the old barn door. You've got this filter, which basically would be the same as the shadow box. All right, let's do a demo on this light. The light has an array of LEDs. We're going to put the filter over half. These are yellow. These are white. You got white and yellow. Both colors are on their own dimmers. This will be the full yellow, full white, yellow and white. These lights can also be run off of battery packs. There's 2 slots here to put rechargeable batteries in. Those are separate. What I do find disappointing about this light kit is this power supply. If you've got the light extended, this power supply is going to hang from the connection in the back of the light. You can't have that. You'll wallow that hole out. You'll have nothing but a crappy connection for as long as you own the light. So I added a rope to tie this here. That way I got slack in the cord. Whew! I got so much light in here, it's going to make me start sweating. Okay, green screen. This is a Westcott 132, 9-foot by 20-foot green screen background. And it even says new right on the package. It's also in a, looks like it's in a duffel bag type of thing, so let's unwrap it and see just how wrinkled this stuff is. It is in a bag. It's in a bag made out of the same material as the green screen. This backdrop comes in 9x10 and 9x20. This is a fleece material. It's actually pretty soft. Make a hell of a blanket. So it does have eyelets in it in the 9-foot run. One 9-foot side of this. It's also got a rod pocket, which that's nice. I've got the 20-foot length going left to right, the 9-foot length going top to bottom, and I still have, I don't know, 2.5 feet on the floor, so it can go higher. But to stand on it, I'm going to have to put the 20-foot length top to bottom. Now right now, I've got no shadows on the screen. I've got 2 lights directly off to my side illuminating the green screen, and I have lights behind the camera lighting me up. So I don't have any shadows on that green screen, but if I get closer, I start throwing shadows on it. So the room I'm going to be doing this in is small, so I'm going to have to use the dual lighting so I keep shadows. And what I've noticed is no matter how close I get to this green screen, it's not reflecting any green light back onto me. So hopefully it'll be easy to edit the fuzzy, or if you get any green hairs on your silhouette, it should be really easy to edit. I got me a couple of green screen leotard unitard with a face hole. We'll have to see what we can come up with. Well, cheers with an icy cold gin and tonic with a lime, which will disappear on the green screen. Oh man, these are tasty. Well, good luck with your green screen shopping or whatever you choose. I hope this helps somebody out because I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. I'm winging it, but so far so good. We'll see what happens. Well, cheers, and thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you